To add a weather widget to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then select widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find weather. Or you can quickly find this widget by typing its name in the search bar. Tap weather and then select the desired weather widget style you like to add to your home screen. As the example, we will select weather insight. Tap weather insight and then tap add to add the widget on an empty area on your home screen. Now you can easily get more information about your local weather condition by using this widget. As the example, you can see whether severe thunderstorm, snow, rain, and other events are on the forecast. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.